Welcome to qnawire.
Since there is no heat loss from the system, therefore Q total is equal to Q for ice plus Q for water is equal to 0. Now let's calculate Q for ice, which is equal to mass of ice times specific heat capacity of ice multiplied with delta T. So mass of ice times specific heat capacity of ice times delta T for ice, plus mass of ice times latent heat of fusion, which is LF. LF is the latent heat of fusion, plus mass of ice multiplied by specific heat of water multiplied by delta T. Delta T, it's for melted. So it's important, delta T for melted. All right. Now plugging the values, we get Q for ice is equal to 0.2 multiplied by specific heat capacity for ice is 2100 joules per kilogram per degree centigrade. That's 2100 multiplied by delta T, change in temperature is plus 40 degrees centigrade. Since its change in temperature is 0 minus into minus 40, which is equal to plus 40 degree centigrade. So change in temperature is 40 degrees centigrade plus again 0.2, which is mass of ice, multiplied by 33.4 multiplied by 10 to the power 4 multiplied by 33.4 multiplied by 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 4, right? Plus, now mass of ice is again 0.2 multiplied by specific heat of water, which is 4190 joules per kilogram per degree centigrade. It's 4190 multiplied by, and then delta T, it's 20 degrees centigrade minus 0, which is 20. So solving this, we get Q for ice is equal to 1.004 multiplied by 10 to the power 5 joules. All right. Now, let's calculate Q for the water that which has a mass m and its temperature drops from 80 degrees centigrade to 20 degrees centigrade. So Q for water is equal to mass of water multiplied by specific heat of water multiplied by delta T. And delta T is change in temperature. The delta T is change in temperature. So putting the values, we have Q for water is equal to, well, first of all, let's put the value of specific heat capacity of water, which is equal to 4190. So M multiplied by 4190 multiplied by delta T. So here delta T is 20 degrees centigrade minus 80 degrees centigrade. Therefore, QW is equal to minus 251. Sorry, that's minus 251,400 joule per kilogram multiplied by mass. Now, to get the mass M, substitute for Q water and Q ice. So doing so, we get 1.004 multiplied by 1.004 multiplied by 10 to the power 5 plus into minus 251,400 multiplied by M is equal to 0. And solving for M, we have M is equal to 1.004004 multiplied by 10 to the power 5 divided by 251,400, and this is equal to 0.399 kilograms. 0.399 kilograms, which is our answer. End of the problem. Thank you for watching.